Today I'm going to talk about industrial salesman. This is the types of salesman. There are three types of salesman: industrial salesman, merchant salesman, consumer salesman. Now I am going to talk about industrial salesman. Buyer seller interdependence and product complexity are the two unique aspects in of industrial marketing. The interaction take place between these two professionals. And then industrial salesman may need a technical background in engineering or chemistry to understand the problem and know the language of technically trained purchasing agent. The sophisticated and expert purchasing agent look for result in the form of increased sales or lower cost or both. Industrial buyer are applied mainly through rationally buying motives. And then direct selling usually we have direct sale conducted through face to face communication between the manufacturer representative and the industrial customer. Personal selling enjoys the lion share in industrial marketing as the tool of promotion and distribution. For certain industrial goods such as components, spare parts, office supplies, consumer goods, we have industrial distributors as resellers. And then advertising plays a secondary and supportive role in industrial marketing, facilitating the job of industrial salesman. In fact, industrial salesman in the company and industrial customer, the reputation of company which the salesman rep- represent plays a very important role in the buyer decision to purchase. Salesman must know thoroughly his product, his customer and his company. And then business marketing, customer service, including helping the customer to sell to his customer, is more important than the physical product itself. Industrial marketing is now termed as business marketing. Industrial salesmen may represent manufacturers, industrial distributor or wholesalers, manufacturer agents for highly technical products. As sales engineering have mechanical, electrical, chemical training or employed to study customer problems, recommended proper equipment, supervisor its installation and training user in its operation. Thank you.